Have you ever wondered about the sweet, golden liquid we call honey? Where does it come from and how is it made? It's a fascinating journey that begins with tiny, industrious insects and ends up on our breakfast tables. But how exactly do these small creatures transform flower nectar into the delicious, long lasting substance we cherish? The process starts with worker bees, who fly from flower to flower, gathering nectar using their long, tube like tongues. This nectar is stored in a special stomach called the honey sac or crop, where enzymes begin to break down its complex sugars. Back at the hive, the foraging bee regurgitates the partially digested nectar to other worker bees, who continue the enzymatic process. They pass it from bee to bee, reducing its water content through a process of fanning their wings, which evaporates moisture. Once the water content is low enough, around 17 to 18%, the nectar transforms into thick, viscous honey. The bees then cap these cells with beeswax, sealing the honey for storage and future consumption. This incredible natural process ensures the honey remains preserved, providing a vital food source for the colony. Now that we understand how honey is made, have you ever considered how long humans have been enjoying this sweet treat? And what were its earliest uses beyond just a food source? Evidence suggests humans have been harvesting honey for at least 8,000 years, with cave paintings in Spain depicting honey collection. Ancient Egyptians used honey not only as food, but also as a medicine, a sweetener for beverages, and even in their embalming processes. The Greeks and Romans also valued honey highly, using it in cooking, for medicinal purposes, and as an offering to their gods. Its natural antibacterial properties made it an invaluable resource in times before modern medicine. If you find this journey through honey's history as sweet as we do, please share this video with your friends and family. They might discover something new and fascinating about this everyday staple. From ancient times to today, honey's uses have evolved, but its fundamental value remains. But how has modern science further unlocked honey's potential, and what are some surprising ways we use it now? Today, honey is still a popular natural sweetener, often preferred over refined sugars due to its beneficial compounds. It's a key ingredient in many culinary dishes, from desserts to savory glazes. Beyond the kitchen, honey's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties are recognized in modern medicine. It's used in wound care, to soothe sore throats, and even in some cosmetic products for its moisturizing benefits. Different types of honey, like Manuka honey, are specifically studied for their potent medicinal qualities. The journey of honey, from a bee's intricate work to its diverse applications, truly highlights its enduring significance. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity and humanity's long-standing appreciation for its gifts. If you enjoyed learning about honey, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating topics, and comment below with your suggestions for future videos.